Hello, and welcome to the Storyblok CLI series. Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Mendoza, a Senior Developer Relations Engineer at Storyblok, and today I'm going to walk you through all that the Storyblok CLI from version 4 and up has to offer and how to use it. At the end of this series, you will have hands-on experience over all the commands available in the CLI, as well as practical use cases for your day-to-day job with Storyblok. This series will be updated with new videos as new functionality for the CLI is released. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's a good idea to subscribe? But you're probably asking yourself, what is a CLI? Well, CLI stands for Command Line Interface, and here's why it matters. Our CLI is an enterprise-ready open-source tool that lets you run complex operations on top of Storyblok's management API, just by typing a single command into your terminal. Without it, you'd have to build your own scripts and logic to do the exact same thing. The Storyblok CLI is built to make your life as a developer easier. Instead of just talking about it, let's see it in action. Let's put on my glasses for this part, but okay all, first things first, we need to install the CLI in order to do anything the other videos are actually telling us to do, so please, do not skip this step, or you'll be back. Sorry, that's my best Arnold impression, but I promise, you'll be back if you skip this step, so don't. Let's open up our terminal and run npmi storyblok at latest. And this is not a spelling tutorial, so sorry about that. This is a tutorial on the Storyblok CLI. So if I see any comments about me misspelling this, just know that I did it on purpose to make that joke. All right, let's go ahead and click enter, and there we go. It's gonna run some stuff, and voila, we are installed. You just completed your first step to becoming a Storyblok CLI Pro. How does it feel to be on the road to greatness? Okay, so let's just double check that we are installed by checking the version by typing in Storyblok-V. And there we go. We are on the latest version, 4.6.9, which is the latest version as of today, November 13th, 2025. So you might be on a different version if you're watching this in the future. Hello from the past. Okay, so where do we go from here? Help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Thanks, Jordan. Let's see what types of commands are available to us by typing in the command storyblok-h. And there we go. We can actually see all of our commands here. We can see all the actual possible commands that we can use in this CLI. So we have some global options like -v or -- version, which we just used. We also have -help or -h or -help, which we also just used. And then you can see that we have this other option -verbose, which enables verbose output for commands. So this is particularly helpful if you are getting an error and having trouble debugging. We can combine these options with our commands. For example, if I want to see all the options available for login, I can enter storyblok login-h. And there we go. You can see that you get a list of options for this particular command, and we can use this for other commands as well. Things like this used to be painful for developers, so we rebuilt the CLI from the ground up based on your feedback. It's open source, faster, and includes new features designed to meet real-world needs. In this series, we'll dig into what those are and how they can help you work smarter with Storyblok. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to use the Storyblok CLI like a pro. The next video will be covering authentication within the CLI. See you there.